Well, I finally, pardon me, got the new camera, so there's been no updates for weeks. As you can see, it's pointing the other way, which is good news. Excusez-moi. So, the deck's on but not screwed down. I think the pipes are high enough. Me Hendrix pipes reach for the sky. Got all my back end sorted. I'm busy doing steps. Spare wheel goes on there. Got the glass in. Got one tank on. The other one's to go. I've got the eyes in. Bumper. I need another wiper. And as you guessed, I've had it running. The yellow light goes out. What was that in gear? So it runs. So, sounds quite fruity. Needs more horsepower, like. But hey, beggars can't be choosers. And if you get the stainless battery box, want some better tyres for the front, mud flaps, another diesel tank on there, and I've got mini hubcaps on there. So, watch this space.